Congratulations and welcome to the course. Do you want to start building your IT career but you don't know where to start? Do you feel IT concepts are too complex? Or do you want to improve your existing IT troubleshooting skills? If I answer any of these questions, you are in the right place. In this course, we're going to go over the client and server architecture. We're going to be installing a Windows Server 2019 on the virtual machine. We're going to be preparing the virtual environment using Oracle VirtualBox. By the end of the course, you will acquire knowledge about how to troubleshoot efficiently networks using DNS, DHCP, ICMP, HTTP, TCP/IP, UDP, and ICMP. We're going to be using some popular network sniffing and applications to troubleshoot networks. You will learn how to read a PDU, to analyze the DNS queries, to analyze DHCP requests. In this way, you will have enough knowledge to troubleshoot predict networks. Don't miss the opportunity of becoming a successful technical support and register to this course. Act now!